How does having well-conceived learning outcomes make your course design process easier? First, there's a difference between a course aim or goal or objective and a course learning outcome. An aim, goal, or objective in a geology course might be something like understand the basic principles of plate tectonics. This is mostly an aspirational statement by the instructor. I hope my students will gain some understanding of what I'm going to be talking about in this unit. Well, the intention is admirable. This kind of a statement doesn't really provide much guidance in creating an effective assessment. Nor is it much help in figuring out what kinds of teaching and learning activities will help students succeed in that assessment. Maybe they could demonstrate their understanding of plate tectonics. But how do you demonstrate? Do you write an essay, draw a diagram, make a model, make an animation, build your own world? Maybe they could demonstrate their understanding of how convection currents drive plate tectonics by drawing and labeling a diagram of a mid-ocean ridge, a subduction zone, and a transform fault. Now that sounds like something I could give as an assignment, which would encourage them to read some chapters in the text, watch some online videos, maybe even come to the lectures where I explain the concepts and demonstrate what these diagrams might look like. So, a well-crafted learning outcome makes it clear what the students will be able to do in a fairly straightforward and measurable way. If your learning outcome is clear and measurable and relevant, then you've pretty much already designed your assessment. And if you know what the students will need to do to be able to pass the assessment, then you're well on your way to figuring out what you need to teach them, and how you might want to do that, and what resources you'll need, and what kinds of activities the students might need to get them ready. So, once you have a good learning outcome, all the other pieces just seem to fall into place. I'm going to go make up another one.